Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit cocktail graham float. Start by chilling your glasses and prepping graham crackers into crumbs, drain the fruit cocktail slightly, and scoop vanilla ice cream. Layer crumbs, a scoop of ice cream, drained fruit cocktail, and a dollop of whipped cream. Repeat layers until the glass is nearly full, finish with crumbs and a cherry, and serve immediately for best texture and flavor. I will take you through each ingredient so your float balances sweet, tart, and crunchy notes perfectly. Measure 1 cup graham crumbs, 1 can fruit cocktail drained, and 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream per 2 servings. Keep whipped cream chilled and ready in a piping bag or spoon. Small tweaks like zest or a splash of juice can brighten the flavor, but the core steps stay simple and satisfying for any home kitchen. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more easy dessert videos. Quick recommendation. On another note, the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes anywhere with excellent battery life and a glare-free screen. I find it handy on the counter while I cook, and it's great for long evenings with a cookbook. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use calm, deliberate motions while assembling the float to keep layers neat and prevent ice cream from melting too fast. Spoon 1 scoop, add a thin layer of fruit, then sprinkle crumbs and repeat, keeping the glass balanced. Tap the glass gently between layers to settle ingredients and prevent air pockets, and always finish with whipped cream and a garnish for visual appeal. Serve straight away to capture the ideal temperature and texture contrast that makes this dessert special.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.